Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rhonda with A Little Bit French. I hope you're having a good day. Today is part 2 of this little journal that I created as a giveaway, and I will show you how I finished her up. I started to turn the camera on, but I was having a very productive day that day and decided to finish this little booklet journal as a giveaway. So I will show you how I finished her. This is a vintage broken earring that I thought looked good on the cover, wrapped around. We'll get started here. Okay. And then, as you know from part 1, this is a copy of the original photo I have from 1916. I just love their clothes and the way they're standing there. I just had to make copies of her. And so this started on the cover. I added some vintage French trim and just added more to the cover. I added some torn papers and tried this technique where you put like this rag paper. I lightly glued it, and then as it set, I peeled it away to just give it more of a rustic look here on the cover. And then I decided I needed some color. This was just too neutral, and I know you're surprised to hear me say that, but I just found these chapter 1 papers that I had and started adding some pinks to this. This is a place to write. Here's some more chapter 1. I found these tags at a shop, not on Etsy. I will share below. I think her name is Karen, and I've been saving her tags. I love them so much, and I did a little collaging on it and thought I'd clip it in here so whoever wins this can do what they want with the tag. I just wanted to make sure that you could see the top of the tag at the when you opened it up. I love that look. And then here is the little side tuck we created together. And this is an antique ledger from 1897 tucked in there. And a French receipt page. So all the pages are vintage or antique, or they're all authentic, and only the images are copies. And so here's some ledger paper with more of the pinks from chapter 1. Another place to write, and I added this eyelet, and then I added this pocket. This image is from Souvenir de la France, and there's some papers stuck in there. And then this page has one of my images copied and some Amity Bloom washi tape. And you can feel the rag paper. It just has a whole different texture. And then I don't want to say I got bored, but I just decided to use some ruby and pearl images as well because they're so beautiful. And I'll list Heather's digital kit below that I grabbed this from. Then I created this flip out with another image of mine. I made a little pocket with some ledger paper from 1897, and it's just a little pocket with some scraps in it and a tag. And then it's a flip out and a place to write. It covers it up. And this is from Ruby and Pearl, this image I printed, and I added some antique book pages from a French book. And then this is a belly band that I think I did on chapter 1, on part 1, and then I just put together some antique book pages, an image, and then this label along with a French stamp. Let's see if we can get this back in here. It's a very tight belly band. And this is another ruby and pearl image, and I added this Lavish laces, some trim from Lavish laces. I hope you can see that. And this is just a little clipped piece of some very old antique ledger that I've been saving, and I did a little collage on it, but I thought that whoever wins this can do what they want with it. I wasn't quite sure where I wanted to put it, but I wanted to include that. And then this is what I mean. I always, when I print out or copy my images, I always back them with some papers, and it just gives them more strength. And I created this pocket for that. And this is another ruby and pearl in chapter 1. And this is part of that French receipt. Lots of places to write. And this is another ruby and pearl. I tore this image and then tore the image from chapter 1. And this is a little belly band that holds a little storage place or writing spot. And then this is that scrap that I tore off one of the pages, and I just wanted to make sure I used it in here, and I made this side tuck with it. And then here is another storage or writing spot tucked in here. And that's that. So I hope you found some inspiration. I wish you all good luck. This was a very great size little booklet to make. I'm trying to remember. I don't know if I counted the pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 18 pages in here, and it's just a great little size. And if you're interested, leave a comment, and if you like, leave your name, but I will contact you through your channel. Obviously, I think you have to have a channel, or if you're just signed up, just leave your name or initials so that I can announce who won. And this little booklet journal will be in your hands soon. So fingers crossed, everyone. Thank you for being so supportive. I love all your comments, and this is my way of saying thank you for always being here and being part of this community. And I will get back to you in 2 to 3 days of who won, and do a little short video, and then that will be just one. I think I've done 2 giveaways, so this will be giveaway 2, and I look forward to creating something for the next giveaway. So thanks for watching, and have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.